Hey guys, it's Darshan here from It's So What. Today's recipe is all for you chocolate lovers, which of course includes me. So let's make this delicious, super chocolicious chocolate fudge, which has 3 ingredients. So it's a super easy dessert. Let's get started.
I see you over there, strawberry lip balm, dirty blonde hair. You look so good, it just ain't fair to all the other girls hanging out here. Ray-Bans, short shorts, sunburned skin, making me hurt. There's something about you, girl, I need to know a little more about. Just buzz enough to walk up to you and say what's up. How'd you like to go take a ride in my truck? Look at the stars, maybe fall in love. Right then I knew you were someone I couldn't live without. I don't wanna live without your sweet kiss. You reaching for my hand, singing and flipping your ponytail to your all-time favorite band, My Chemical Romance. I still don't have a clue what songs they sing, but I loved it just the same. Hot August nights, warm wind blowing in, steam on the windows, sweat dripping off our skin. I saw everything I needed to see, and I knew right then I'd never look at another girl again. I don't know what came over me, but I knew that night I didn't wanna be just another guy. I wanna be someone you just made a memory. So I made a vow it was gonna be you right here, right now. You're my honey, my cat's meow, something I